Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to show favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. So I was using Microsoft Edge the other day and realized I kept opening the same websites over and over again, which felt a bit unnecessary. So I decided to turn on the favorites bar to make things faster, and I opened Edge, went to the top right corner, clicked the three-dot menu, and then headed into settings where all the browser customization options are stored. And from there, I went into the appearance section on the left side, scrolled down until I found a favorites bar option, and switched it from hidden to always show so it stays visible all the time. And I also made sure the favorites feature itself was enabled, so all my saved sites actually appear correctly on the bar. And right after that, the change kicked in instantly, and I could see my favorite websites right under the address bar, which honestly makes browsing feel a little more efficient because everything I use most is now just one click away instead of digging through menus or typing URLs again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.